Hello guys, this is DTrader, and in this video I will show you what is fair value gap and how to use it in the market. So first, by theory, fair value gap, simply stated, a fair value gap is a gap in price movement, arising when there is an imbalance between buyers and sellers. This results in an unadjusted area on the price chart, which often attracts the price back before it continues along its prior trajectory. I just told you what is fair value gap by theory. Now I will show you. First, right here, I draw these figures. This is bullish fair value gap and this is bearish fair value gap. So fair value gap is a pattern that we use, three candle pattern. If you don't have three candle, that means it's not fair value gap. So in bullish side, you have to take of the first candle's high to the third candle's low in bullish fair value gap. This is the legit fair value gap that we use, bullish fair value gap. Now I will show you bearish fair value gap. Bearish imbalance is different. I have to take first candle's low and third candle's high. It's just opposite of the bullish fair value gap. So when price enters in this area, there is big chance that price might go down, or if it enters in bullish fair value gap, it means price might go up. So this is legit fair value gaps. I just showed you. Oh my god, what I did. Okay, so now I will show you what is not legit and what we don't state as fair value gap. If there is not like a gap between these two candles wicks, that means this is not true imbalance. If these wicks touch each other, that means it's not legit imbalance. So now I showed you. Now I'm gonna show you in the market. Here, as you can see, we made okay, we go to another time frame. Let's go in a 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute time frame. What is it? Okay, here we have fair value gap here. No, this is not really good. Really good example. Okay, here we have fair value gap on 15 minutes. We take a rectangle, take high point of the first candle and third candles, low point of the first candle and third candle's high point. We mark it like this. And as you can see, this is bearish fair value gap. So when price entered in this zone, look at this reaction, how price goes down. In this moment, I would be in lower time frame to have more confirmation. In the last video, I explained what was breakout structure. So I would wait for breakout structure or something like that to enter in, like here. As you can see, we enter in. We broke the structure here. I will enter here in short position like this. This will be, in 1 minute there will be more great entry, but I don't know why I'm not getting data on 1 minute. Look at this, I cannot see like back this side. So on 1 minute we will get more good entry, but this can work too. Here, breakout structure, first take profit here and stop loss beyond these highs, like this. This will be really good trade, 1.28 RR, but still we would be able to crush this trade. As you can see, we took all of these, all these take profits. So now this is the bearish imbalance. Now I will show you the bullish imbalance. Okay, Okay. Where is the bad bullish imbalance here? Yeah, here. Here, this can be. Yes, this can be here. Yeah, this here. Here, as you can see, 3 candle pattern. First candle's high point, and third candle's low point. Here, as we tapped into this, we broke the structure, and we rally up here. Okay, let me delete this. We broke this structure, and we rally up. So where I would enter in this trade, I will enter after this candle ends. Like on 1 minute I would have more good trade, but I can see it. I can see it. Okay. If I can see it, I'll get more good entry here. Wait. Here, as you can see, as we enter in this fair value gap, we broke the structure on this side. I would have my stop loss beyond these lows. I would have my first take profit to this fair value gap. I mean to this BPR, like this candle, like this. 25, 37, 25. I mean 25, 37, like this. Here, as you can see, we crushed this trade. We took this trade in like how many minutes we took this trade? This is like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 25 minutes. We took this trade in 25 minutes. Wow, this is perfection. This is perfection. Okay, I just showed you. Now I will show you the not legit fair value gaps that happens really often. Okay, here, where is it? Yeah, so in the market, I was in the market right now. I took trade, but I lost it. But it's okay. You cannot win every time. Okay, where? Good trade. We need good trade here. What is not real? I mean, what is not legit? This is not legit. Fair value gap. I mean, we still have gap here. Like this is not legit. Like this is not fair value gap. As you can see, first candle's wick covers whole candle's gap. So this is not legit. In the bearish side, as you can see, this is not legit either. That is all. That is all I have to say. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.